Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the daily request in Heartopia about catch the Gold Grasshopper in and submit it to the collector. So to complete this quest is easy. First, just catch the Gold Grasshopper. You can catch it at the Onsen Mountain. This one. For the details, you can just catch it at the Onsen Mountain. This one, and then it spawns all times, almost all weather, sunny, rainy, and rainbow. So just go to the Onsen Mountain over here, this area, and then just walk around until you find the Gold Grasshopper, like this. Like this. After you get the Gold Grasshopper, just go meet the collector to confirm the quest or to submit this Gold Grasshopper. Just tap on the quest, and then after that just submit this Gold Grasshopper. And just like that, your daily quest will be complete like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.